we're going to talk about zigzag board, wall display, and rope pole display, which are conventional materials that can be used in teaching. Enjoy watching the video and let's learn together.
Why do teachers use instructional materials? Instructional materials are essential since they help the teacher and learners avoid overemphasis on recitation and rote learning that can easily dominate a lesson. Resource materials allow learners to have practical experiences which help them to develop skills and concepts and to work in a variety of ways. In this tutorial, we're going to learn what is zigzag board, wall display, and rope pole display, and how to make them easily. So without further ado, let's begin with the zigzag board.
What is zigzag board? It is a multi-board series of 3 or 4 rectangular boards. They are joined together along the side by hinges so they can be easily folded up and carried. Each board can be of a different type. For example, a whiteboard, a chalkboard, a funnel board, and so on.
In order to make this kind of display, we need cardboards, cutter, coloring materials, there you go, cut pictures. We are going to paste it on your zigzag board. Colored paper for design. Cartulinas. And the last one is adhesive material. We are going to use glue here in our video. In this tutorial, we are using separated cardboards, and we're going to paste colored paper in order to link them. The next step is we use darker purple color of a cartolina, and we are going to cover the board. Next is to paste the pictures that we have printed. Design it with unique lettering and gold tape, but you can use whatever tape you want. Be creative, and it's up to you. Zigzag Board, you can put any topics you want to discuss and carry it wherever you want. Because all you need to do with this is to be creative and fold the board. Recycled materials like cartons and plywoods or other materials that can be used as a board will do. You creatively delivered your lesson and you saved the world. Now that we are done with the Zigzag Board, let's move to the next one. Wall displays expand the time students devote to thinking about the science ideas and practices they are learning, because they view and talk about what is displayed with peers and their families. The materials needed in wall display are cartolina, colored paper, cut pictures, and coloring materials. Making a wall display is so easy to make because all you need to do is to paste everything in your cartolina. Just make sure that your wall display will help the students to be interactive with it. And all of the things that you want to post on your display are unified. Display is a great strategy to see students' understanding and personality. Having this kind of display helps students to be interactive and be confident with their thoughts and can widely accept others' opinion.
Rope and pole display board. This board consists of two parallel, horizontal poles tied loosely together with rope. Visual aids such as poster can be pinned to the rope. This kind of display board is even available where there are few solid balls for displaying.
The materials needed in rope pole display are 2 poles, yarns, tape, glue, pencil and pentel pen for outline, cut pictures, and colored paper. First, you need to paste your cut pictures to a colored paper for framing. Tie your yarns in each poles. In this tutorial, we made 5 rows of them. Paste your cut pictures with frame or design to your yarn with the use of your tape. You can do whatever pattern you want, just make sure your students will understand the flow of your pictures. And here's the final result.
This kind of display are easy way to use because of the materials needed, which has a rope and 2 poles. These instructional materials used in graphic, pictures, and other visual chart presentation. It has no solid backing, can be made quickly for teaching, training, and when working with community.
We hope you learned something from this video. Have a good day. Goodbye.